Unraveling the mystery of unblended eyeshadow. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through everyday topics. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might have caught your eye, pun intended, in the world of beauty and makeup: unblended eyeshadow. Stick around as we break down what it means, why it matters in makeup artistry, and how understanding such phrases can enhance your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. Before we delve into what unblended eyeshadow means, let's break down the phrase into two key components: unblended and eyeshadow. Eyeshadow refers to a type of cosmetic product applied on the eyelids and under the eyebrows. It's used to add depth, dimension, and color to the eyes, enhancing their appearance. On the other hand, unblended is a term that describes something not mixed or combined with something else. In the context of makeup, blending is the process of smoothly integrating eyeshadow colors and transitions on the eyelid to create a seamless look. Blending is a cornerstone technique in makeup artistry. It involves using brushes or fingertips to mix and smooth out colors, ensuring there are no harsh lines or evident transitions between shades. Good blending is often praised for its ability to create a polished, professional look. Therefore, when eyeshadow is described as unblended, it suggests that the makeup does not exhibit these smooth transitions or harmonious integration of colors. This can be either intentional for a specific style or an oversight in application. In some cases, unblended eyeshadow is a deliberate choice by the makeup artist or individual. It can be used to achieve a bold, avant-garde look that stands out and makes a statement. This style may feature stark contrasts, visible lines, or geometric shapes that defy the traditional expectations of seamless makeup. It's a testament to the versatility and expressive potential of makeup as an art form. Understanding the intention behind the use of unblended in this context can offer insights into cultural trends and personal expression through beauty. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing phrase, unblended eyeshadow, and what it represents in the realm of makeup and beauty. Whether it's a stylistic choice or a learning opportunity for budding makeup enthusiasts, understanding such terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also broadens your appreciation for different forms of artistic expression. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words. It's about connecting with cultures, trends, and ideas. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you.